Greetings, everybody. Welcome to Rishikul Online School of Learning again. We are dealing with chapter number 2, that is election and representation, and this is module 3, and we'll be elaborating the topic Election Commission of India. See, in Article 324 in Indian Constitution, Election Commission and its functions are mentioned. Election Commission is an independent constitutional authority responsible for administering elections in India. Election Commission formed in January 1950. Election Commission of India consists of one Chief Election Commissioner for whole India along with two election commissioners of highest ranks at apex level at the center. Every state has its own electoral commissioner. For larger state, there can be two commissioners at the state level. The Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners at central level are appointed by the President for the tenure of 6 years, or they will retire at the age of 65. इन दोनों में से जो भी पहली चीज़ कंप्लीट हो जाएगी वो वही चीज़ कंसिडर कर ली जाएगी. These can be removed by President through the process of impeachment only after consulting the Parliament. The various functions performed by Election Commission of India are preparation of electoral rolls, conduct of free and fair elections, registration of political parties, recognition of state national parties, disqualification of members, opinion in cases, and also it deals with the disputes arise at the time of elections. Also, it provides symbols to the parties and so on. For example, division of constituencies, settle down disputes referred by the presidents, scrutiny of the nomination papers, fix and limit the election expenses and the code of the conduct for the elections, declaring the results, counting of the votes, etc. This will be all from module 3 of chapter 2, and we'll be meeting in the next module. Thank you very much.